The Bharatiya Janata Party has promised to fight corruption and addressed farmers' distress during its state executive meeting held at Palace Ground on February 19th, attended by nearly 1,000 leaders and workers. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat inaugurated the meeting. Senior leaders including B.S. Yediyurappa, R. Ashoka, State BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra, Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, Pralhad Joshi and V. Somanna were present. The party passed 4 resolutions targeting alleged corruption, misuse of funds, drug menace, farmers' issues and Bengaluru's garbage crisis. Vijayendra attacked the Indian National Congress government, claiming zero development in Karnataka, and urged party workers to prepare for upcoming local body polls, bypolls and future elections. Yediyurappa was felicitated for completing 50 years in politics, while the BJP expressed confidence of returning to power in the 2028 assembly elections.